So you guys are here because you have a very shaky footage and you don't have a PC or Premiere Pro to just stabilize your footage. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys that how to stabilize your shaky footage in your Android device. So yeah, without being said, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the app that we are going to use is Google Photos, and this is just pre-installed in a lot of the devices. And after opening it, just take your footage and just click on this edit icon. Then here you will see the stabilize button. Just click on it and wait until this. So after the process is complete, your footage is ready, and here's the difference.